We're riding a mule.
My cousin.
We have our brother here guiding us. What's your
Yeah.
name, brother?
My name is Tiger.
Tiger?
Yeah.
Oh.
My nickname lost.
How's business?
Bad business.
Tiger?
Bad
Really?
business. Really? You make the day.
Yeah. Oh, he's good in riding. Oh.
Yeah, this is اسمع نحاول اعدي عشان اكمل هنا. ها؟ فهمت علي؟ حلوة.
You're communicating to the mule?
حلوة. وقف لنا حنا المرك.
Whew. What a mule.
السلام عليكم. كيفك يا شيخ؟
Hello. Whew.
تعال تستريح بس بدنا نجرب.
Okay.
حلوة. You have a race donkey.
Wait, slowly, slowly. Whew.
راجع يا شيخ. راجع على مروح. بس؟ لا والله ماني مروح. والله كاعها مالها وحدات.
How old is this mule, brother?
This is donkey.
How old?
Old,
How many
1
years?
year. 1 year.
But he's strong.
Yeah. 1 year is old.
Oh. Up to this portion. May tingin ka. Pa-picture sa kanila na lang.
Give
This
me your
one?
phone.
Yeah.